Hi everyone, this is Lucy from Kappa Computer Systems. In this video, I'm going to show you some Outlook tips and tricks. Number 1, create a new email from your clipboard. Select and copy any text. Then open your Outlook, and anywhere in Outlook, select Control-V to paste, and it starts a new email for you. You can also do this with your calendar. If you open up your calendar, and anywhere in your calendar, select Control-V to paste, it will start a new appointment with your pasted text. Number 2, sticky notes for quick reminders. Press Control, Shift, and N anywhere in Outlook to create a new note that can be dragged anywhere on your screen. This is good for quick tasks that don't need to go on your calendar. Number 3, Quick Access Toolbar. In the upper left-hand corner of your Outlook is your Quick Access Toolbar. To customize it, just select this drop-down, and you'll see a selection of quick access commands. I'm going to add a print button for easy access for printing. You can also select that down arrow and go to more commands, and you'll see a large selection of commands here that can be added to your quick access toolbar. Number 4, 2 time zones. When working with multiple time zones, Outlook can help you by showing 2 time zones at the same time in your calendar. If you go up to File, and then Options, select Calendar, scroll down to Time Zones, select Show a Second Time Zone, choose your time zone, and then select OK. Your Outlook calendar will now show 2 time zones. Number 5, search folders. Search folders are predefined filters for your email. You can find search folders in your folder list. You have the ability to create your own search folders. You can do this by right-clicking on search folders and select New Search Folder. You will see there are predefined criteria you can choose from, but you can also create your own custom search folder. As an example, I'll show you mail with specific words. I'm going to select Add. Hit OK, OK again, and there you go. There's a search folder containing the word welcome. We hope you find these tips and tricks useful. This is Lucy from Kappa Computer Systems. Have a great day.